Hi everybody, I'm Joey and I'm here to give you just a few sneak peeks of my new club coming up for this month, my Be Creative Club. This month we're going to focus on the ice cream swirl. This is what I'm focusing on this month. All of our 5 projects will be made with this stamp set. Here are the dies that come with it, and then all these super cute stamps. So this is just going to be a short video to tell you about the Creative Club. It's a subscription club, and it means it comes to your door every month, and you don't have to resubscribe. Once you've subscribed, you're in. You get it every month until you unsubscribe. Hi, Zaina. It is, so I have my little cheat sheet here so I don't forget anything. It's a monthly card club. It gets delivered directly to your door, either, and we also meet in person. So I live in Lincoln, Nebraska. If you're local to Lincoln, Nebraska, you can come in person. That meets the 4th Thursday of every month. And otherwise, I ship it out at the end of the month, and you have to subscribe by the 10th of the month, just so you know all of that. Every month you get, so this is kind of what a kit looks like. Now this is last month's kit. This is my Xenia class kit. I just happen to have one of my in-person people wasn't able to make it, so I'm hanging on to this for her. But you get about $20 to $25 worth of Stampin' Up! Products extra in your kit, plus all of your cards. I didn't pull out the card kits, but I guess I could show you those. So the card kits come in individual envelopes, so that it's easy to find what goes with what card. And you get a PDF tutorial for each one. And again, you get a lot of product that goes with it. So this particular one had a whole pack of gems, and it actually had a pack of ribbon in it as well. And then the 5 card kits, like I showed you before. Now, all of the embossing and die cutting is done that isn't in the suite. So if it's in the suite that we're featuring, then that's not done for you. You do need this die. You do need the die or the stamp set to complete your projects. But if you join the club, you can also get the bundle that we're using with no tax or shipping. So I pay the tax and shipping for you. You can add it for the catalog price. You don't have to pay the extra. So you get 5 project kits. As I said, you get about $22 to $25 in extra Stampin' Up! Goodies. You get a printable PDF. It's very detailed, and it has lots of photos to help you. All the measurements are given, and also the list of supplies that I use to create the cards, so that you know exactly what I used if you want to reproduce them. And after 6 months, if you belong for 6 consecutive months, you get a $25 gift certificate. You can pick anything you want to, and I'll send it to you as a thank you for being part of the club. It is $35 a month if you're local. It's $41 a month if you need shipping. And you're in charge of your subscription. So you subscribe by the 10th of the month, and then if you do, you get that month's kit. If you subscribe, gosh, I'm having a hard time saying subscribe after the 10th of the month, then you get the lost my train of thought, so sorry. Then after the 10th, then you'll get the next month's kit. So this month, as I said, is the ice cream swirl bundle. Zaina, I would sell just the PDF. I'm not set up right now to do that, so you just have to email me privately or message me privately, and when the PDF goes out to the rest of the club members, then I will send you the PDF at that time when it's ready. But you can buy it separately. Yes, you can. So to answer your question. Okay, so as I said, you're completely in control of when you your subscription. So I don't set it up for you. You set it up for yourself. You join on your own, so you can set up your own credit card, and or if you want to use PayPal, you can use that as well. And you're in control of canceling whenever you want to as well. There's no obligation to it whatsoever. So let's go ahead and look at the sneak peeks. I'm excited to share these with you. I had so much fun with the ice cream bundle. It was not on my first, I'll be honest, it wasn't on my first group of supplies that I ordered from the new mini catalog. It's in the new spring mini catalog with Stampin' Up. If you don't have that and you'd like to have it, let me know. If you don't have a demonstrator, I'm happy to send you a catalog. But it wasn't on my first wish list requests or wants. But the more I looked at it, the more I thought, I think this is really a good set for pretty much everybody. Not only children, but big children and adults. And it kind of fits a lot of occasions. So here's one of my cards that we're going to make. So this is made with the, can you see the red, the sparkle, the Berry Burst sparkle paper. And this is a kind of a fun fold. Well, I glued it shut for my photograph. So this is the fun fold. Hi Zaina, I'm trying to read as I can see your comments coming up. Yes, you're in the UK. I understand that completely. And yes, you message me and I will be happy to send you the PDF. We can go through PayPal. And anybody else that's watching that's interested, you can get the PDF as well. Just message me and I'll get you on my list to send it to you. So anyway, so here's card number 1. And then I thought these little cherries were so cute in this stamp set. So I did a whole card with just the cherries. I used the scalloped edge on it. This die, I'm sorry to say, is part of the, what's it called, Thoughtful Expressions dies, and it's sold out. I'm so sorry, but I'll have all those things die cut for you. Anything that isn't part of the bundle, I'll have die cut for you. All right, and then the little donuts. I thought they were so cute, so I did a whole card with just the little donuts. That's one. And then here I use a cute little strawberry, and then the sugar sticks that they give you with your ice cream cones at some of the homemade homemade ice cream stores. Where am I thinking? Anyway, so this one is with the ice cream cone. Here's another one with the ice cream cone. A completely different idea with this one. I used the die for all the little, what do you call them? All the little speckles? That's not the right word, but the ice cream people will know all the little drops on there. And then I understand, no worries. She's saying that it's just because she's in the UK and she knows I can't sell my kits and my products outside of the US. And you're right, Zaina, we can't. But I am happy to send you the PDF. So just let me know about that. Just message me privately and I'll make sure that you get the PDF. All right, my friends, that is it. Make sure you sign up for the Ice Cream Swirl class by the 10th. I will put the link in the comments to this video, and on YouTube I'll put the link in the description below the video. So thanks so much for watching. I hope to hear from you, and if not, I hope you have a wonderful day anyway, and take care. Happy stamping. Thanks. Bye-bye.